In today's video, I will share the best balcony gardening advice I've learned. Most of it comes from experience and some I'm still testing, but it's all worth knowing. Hi, I'm Cedric. I've read a lot about balcony gardening, some tricks I've tried, others I'm planning to. But most of it is easy, smart and helpful, so today I'm sharing it with you. We will cover space, containers, watering, soil, pests, and smart hacks and ideas. Whether you are just starting or want to improve, this is for you. But first, why grow food on a small balcony? Because it changes everything. It makes you slow down. You eat better. You waste less. You reconnect with nature, even in the city. And honestly, it just feels good to grow something from seed to plate. It's your space, your rhythm, your harvest. Before choosing your plants, there is something super important. This is sunlight. Check your balcony at different times of the day. Morning sun, afternoon shade, is it windy, protected by walls? Sunlight affects everything you can grow. If you can get over 6 hours of sun, you can grow tomatoes, peppers, strawberries. If you get 3 to 5 hours, try salad, greens, spinach, radishes. And if you get even less, herbs like mint, chives, parsley still do well. Mushrooms too, if you are curious to try. If you are not sure, start small and observe. Once you know your light condition, let's talk about what to grow. Go for easy and fast growing plants first. Take cherry tomatoes. They are fun, productive and tasty. Lettuce and arugula grow fast and can be picked over and over. Radishes are ready in just 3 to 4 weeks. Herbs like basil, thyme, coriander and mint are easy and useful daily. And strawberries, perfect for hanging pots. They save space and look great, plus they are delicious. If you are a beginner, maybe avoid potatoes, corn or big squash for now, because they take a lot of space and time. Even with limited space, you can grow a lot if you grow vertically. You might hang pots on your walls or railings. You could also stack crates or boxes to create layers. Or use a trellis for climbing plants like beans or cucumbers. Even a small ladder shelf or old pallet can become a growing zone. Just make sure it's stable and safe. Let's now talk about pots, because not all containers are equal. Your pot is your plant's home. For plants with big roots like tomatoes, go for 20-30 liters containers. For leafy greens, smaller pots, even 5 liters can work well. Always choose containers with drainage holes. Water trays underneath help too. Dark-colored pots can keep soil warmer for heat-loving plants. Fabric pots are light and breathable, which makes them perfect for balconies. Plastic pots are cheap and easy to move. Terracotta looks great but dries out fast, especially during hot weather. Let's look at a few smart ways to save space and water now. If you are short on floor space, try macrame or rope to hang pots. A shoe organizer? Great for small herb planters. Even a shower caddy can become a mini shelf. And for watering? Try a plastic bottle with holes buried near roots. Slow release. Or bury a clay pot filled with water, called an olia, for deep, even watering. Simple ideas, but they really help. Especially when you go on holidays. Plants need to eat too. Let's talk natural fertilizer. Every 2 to 4 weeks, give your plants a boost. I like using coffee grounds. They are great for leafy greens. Crushed eggshells add calcium, especially useful for tomatoes. Banana peel tea? It helps with flowering and fruit. And compost tea is an all-round health tonic for your soil. You can also soak the scraps in water a few days, then pour it at the base. Avoid citrus or salty leftovers, they are not really plant-friendly. So, what if bugs show up on your balcony now? No need to panic. It happens to everyone. The key is spotting problem early, before they get out of hand. I always recommend checking your plants regularly. Look under leaves, around the base, and even under the pots. Because pests love hiding in quiet, shady spots. If you do spot bugs, there are a few gentle homemade solutions that usually do the trick. One I use often is a simple soap and oil spray. Just a bit of Castile soap with a few drops of oil mixed into water. It's great for soft-bodied insects. For tougher pests, you can make a garlic and chili spray. Stronger but still natural and safe for your plants. If you are dealing with white flies, a yellow sticky trap works wonders. And don't underestimate the power of companion plants. Adding mint or marigolds nearby can naturally repel a lot of common bugs. Just remember, healthy plants are more resilient. And the good news is, most of the time, plants bounce back quickly once the issue is under control. Let's talk soil. Good soil equals strong plants. Skip garden dirt, it's too heavy. Use light potting mix instead. Mix in compost for nutrients, perlite or sand for drainage, and coconut fiber to retain moisture. Every season, refresh the top layer or rotate your crops. Healthy soils fits everything. Daily care is simple. It's just a few habits. Touch the soil. If it's dry to the touch, water it. Water early or late in the day, not during hot hours, and give it a deep soak so roots grow strong. In summer, you may water daily. During spring or autumn, every 3 days is enough. Also, remove yellow leaves and harvest often your fruits or vegetables. But more importantly, observe your plants. They will show you what they need. So now let's quickly recap what really matters. Know your light. Choose easy plants. Use proper pots. Grow up, not just out. Feed and water wisely, and stay consistent. Start small, learn as you go, and enjoy every moment of it. Want to go further? I made an 8-page PDF guide for beginners, packed with plant ideas, pot tips, and my favorite hacks. Just enter your email and I will send it straight to you. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, hit like and subscribe. Let me know in the comment what we are growing this season. See you next time, and don't forget to grow your seedlings.